My name is Alice. I'm from Russia and I'm studying biotechnology. I chose SLC because I really liked science ever since I was a kid, and I wanted to find a program that will allow me to gain a lot of knowledge and also try and do a lot of practical stuff in the laboratory. Well, obviously it's cold, just a little bit, but people are very friendly. I really like it here. It's very active. There's a lot of stuff to do. There's a lot of events. Whatever you're interested in, there's probably something for you. You can find a club, you can again find an event. There's a lot of stuff to do all the time. Don't be afraid to try something new. If you want to join a club, join a club. If you want to be active in a club, be active in a club. If you want to go visit an event, go visit an event. And get a planner.